What is up, guys? Gabe Gaffner here in beautiful Austin, Texas. Here to tell you a little bit about my short road to financial freedom. So it started last summer. I was working a job that I I was feeling a little listless. I just got kind of tired of doing the same thing over and over every day, and I didn't hate it the way a lot of people hate their corporate jobs, but I just knew it was time for a change. So I did about a bit of research, and I kind of stumbled upon Kevin David's FBA Ninja course, and lo and behold, I followed it to a T, ordered my first product, and about 30 days after launching that first product, I was making about I made 10,000 in the first month, 10K, and I've steadily made that every month since then for about the last 4 months. And it's beautiful, like clockwork. Every month, the money just comes into my Amazon Seller Central, and here I can give you guys a peek into my account real quick so you guys can take a look. I hope you guys can see that. But I think it says about here. Let's focus in on that. Well, I hope that's clear enough. But yeah, 10,000 and a little bit, I think 10,700 so far in the last 30 days. And yeah, so after doing the FBA course, I decided I was going to give or I actually became one of the beta testers for a Shopify course. And again, similar results as the FBA course. Followed it to a T, and shortly thereafter, I mean, we're talking 2 weeks, even less than the FBA course. Again, similar results, 10K a month. Like it's amazing. And I mean, my results aren't extraordinary. Like I'm not. I mean, I'll be the first to admit that those numbers aren't what like some people are putting up. Literally 50,000 a month. Like it's crazy. So yeah, if a fool like me can do it, you can too. But yeah, I mean, I followed his course to a T. And the reason I'm telling you guys about Shopify today instead of FBA is just because, at least for me, like I wish I had known starting off, like FBA really requires quite an investment, like you have to have 5K, 6K, and I pretty much put in my entire savings into my FBA journey. Whereas Shopify, I think it's 30 something dollars for the monthly Shopify fee, and then on top of that, you spend some money on Facebook ads and other methods to get traffic to your store, right? But the overall costs are like the startup costs are really minimal compared to FBA, and I don't know, for all you students out there, stay-at-home moms, what have you, like it's really just like it's a perfect jump board to get started in the e-commerce world. But yeah, so more about Kevin's course in detail, like specifically his course. What I love about it is just how it really is like e-commerce, Shopify for dummies, just because every single step of the way, Kevin's holding your hand. He's screenshotting his screen and telling you, literally showing you exactly which button to press. It takes all the guesswork out of, is this Facebook ad gonna drive, like you know exactly how to set up your store, you know exactly how to set up your ads. Kevin is the master at doing that. Beyond that, you get to join an amazing Facebook community where you can literally ask the stupidest or the most complicated questions and you'll get an answer. It's amazing, guys. Like I mean, balls in your court, but you need to at least check it out. Beyond that, Kevin himself, like I'm annoying the guy all the time on Facebook Messenger. I'm like, dude, how do you do this? How do you do that? And he gets back to me every single time within 24 hours. Like the dude's a cyborg. I don't know how he does it, but yeah, he's incredible. Like you can ask anybody in the group if you're kind of getting stuck along the way. You can ask Kevin, but the help is there. It's literally like it's there for the taking, guys. Like balls in your court. Check out the course. I have a link in the description. I was able to wrangle a pretty hefty discount. But yeah, the combination of those three things, just the amount of detail that goes into it, and the community and Kevin's own personal help, which I have no idea how much paying for a one-on-one mentor would cost, but I can guarantee you it would be more than the cost of this course. Yeah, like I said, guys, ball's in your court. Check it out or don't, whatever. But I highly recommend it. Anyway, cheers, guys. And if you have any questions or concerns, or don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions about the course, about e-commerce, Shopify, FBA, what have you. So reach out to me, drop a comment, and yeah, check out the course. See you guys.